Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the new Alo Yoga colorway, Lilac Blue and Euphoric Purple. As always, be sure to check the description box below for links and discounts. Links may be affiliate links, which just means that we may earn a small commission at no cost to you. Okay, let's dive into this collection. First, we're going to look at the ribbed Seacoast crop short sleeve tee. This is a very lightweight tee. It is ribbed on the outside, but kind of smooth on the inside, and it is technically cropped, but if you're pairing it with a high waist legging, it actually fits perfectly. Okay, next up, we're actually going to look at the Airlift high waist suit up leggings. We're also going to take a look at the 7/8 high waist leggings in Airlift as well, which is Alo's most signature material. It's kind of like a very lightweight performance material. It does have very light compression and kind of a smoothing effect, but I do feel like some colors are more flattering than others, so I'm really excited to try this one on and see how we feel. Okay, as you can see, these two leggings are relatively the same. However, they do have a few design differences. Now, as I mentioned, the 7/8 high waist Airlift leggings are basically the standard for Alo Yoga. You can compare this to a Lululemon Align legging. They have a high waist, they have somewhat of a control top feature, and they have a seam right around the mid-hip area. Now the suit up leggings are a little different. They do have what I think is a higher waist, a thinner waistband with the Alo monogram right in the middle, and a thin white piping going from the outside ankle of one leg all the way to the other ankle on the other leg. Now of course we're going to try on the full set, so we're trying on the Airlift INTRIGUE bra as well. Again, this is like a standard sports bra. It's really the no frills, really reliable sports bra. I have this in a few colors and I really like it. Okay, so undoubtedly, I was definitely a little bit more excited to try on these suit-up leggings. I think that white piping was just so flattering, and the high waist with the monogram in the middle is just really my vibe. So I really enjoyed these, and I did end up picking them up. I did not end up picking up this sports bra because I have it in quite a few colors. However, I did end up taking this ribbed Seacoast shirt with me. Let's talk about these 7/8 leggings really quickly, and then I'll talk a little bit more about my choices and why. I felt like these 7/8 in this color was a little unflattering on me. I thought the seam kind of cut me off, whereas the high waist with the Alo monogram kind of gave me a little bit more length. So that's what I mentioned a little bit earlier, that sometimes depending on the color, I can feel a little bit more drawn or less drawn to a certain style. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a few accessories. So this is the Euphoric Purple Marble 90s Claw Clip. I absolutely love this clip. I did not think I would love it as much when I saw it online. I thought I was actually gonna like the red one a little bit better. But coming back to my choices and why, I will explain that one of the secret sauces that I think Alo Yoga has is their ability to create this monochrome look. I really love monochrome. I think it's such a moment, and especially in this beautiful lilac blue or very light dusty purple moment, it does create a full look. So I could go with one piece or just the leggings or just the top, but I felt like it was really impactful to have the whole outfit. Now that being said, I originally did not see the clip or the scrunchie, which I'm about to show you, and I really only ended up considering them because there was a promo that in store, if you spend over a certain amount, I think it's $300, you actually get one of the gray marble totes. Now that I do have both pieces, I can't imagine having this look without them. I think they are really literally the cherry on the top or the icing on the cake. I think they pull the whole look together and it just makes for a really powerful moment. I do also think that if I paired the leggings that I picked up with the white piping along the side with a white top, it would also look pretty sharp. And, you know, of course, pairing the lilac blue top with a black or a white pair of leggings, it would also look pretty striking. Now, if you do love this look, this color, this vibe, but you don't want to spend on all items, I would consider spending on maybe one of the lower ticketed items like the shirt and an accessory. So you do kind of get a 2-point monochrome moment. You can pair it with black or white, and it still kind of gives you that full lilac blue euphoric purple vibe. Let me know in the comments below if you think I made the right choices, if you would make different choices, if you love this lilac blue euphoric purple pairing, or if you're really excited for another release from Alo Yoga this spring. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.